Hi guys, welcome to my cocktail bar. I'm attempting, emphasis on the attempting, to make some Christmas cocktails. I remember doing a video like this in lockdown where I tested TikTok cocktails, but we're going to be doing a Christmas edition, and let me tell you, I do not feel prepared for this video in the slightest. Also, just a note to self, and also any of you guys, don't even bother going to a supermarket the week before Christmas. It was hell on earth in there, and they didn't really have half the stuff I needed, so as per usual, I'm going to be winging this video. Winging is what I do best, apparently. But yeah, we'll give it a go. I also haven't really got decoratives for the cocktails, but when you come to make your own, you're going to do a better job than me. It's not hard to do a better job than me. Let's just see how this goes, I guess. I really don't have high hopes for this, gotta be honest. I really need to have more confidence in myself. Famous last words. I kind of have a slight issue. Unless I'm being really stupid right now, I've got my cocktail shaker. But where's the bit that you... Do you know what I mean? Just gonna have to do a half-hearted job, and I can't do that. It's what we're gonna have to do. Okay, here we go. Adding 45 mils of vodka. I'm just gonna say that is that. 60 mils of cranberry juice. Right guys, I'm kind of guessing my measurements here, but that's how I like to do it. Eye measurements. That is what I do. Okay, cranberry juice. You meant to shake it. Ooh. Whoa. Bloody hell. I need ice. That's what I need. Forgot to get ice from the shop, so we are going to have to improvise. 45 mils of pineapple juice. Okay. Pineapple juice. Ah! Ow. Ow. Love a bit of pineapple juice. Some lime juice. Again, Tesco did not provide the lime juice, so I am cutting up a lime. God, that's a bit of a big knife for this occasion. Look away, Mum. Ah, okay. She's gonna kill me for cutting down there. Sorry, Mum. I'm gonna be getting pissed after this video. Okay, lime juice is in. A couple drops of peppermint extract. Hey, did I even tell you what this cocktail is? Are you joking? Did I say? I don't know if I said. This is a candy cane cocktail, minus the candy canes. Definitely, if you can, get some candy canes for this. For Christmas Day, I'll hopefully have my candy canes. Oh, blimey, a couple of drops. I'm not sure this cocktail is going to be for me, you know. A minty cocktail. Oh, this just gives me flashbacks like a couple of Christmases ago. I did a really nice gesture and baked a chocolate Yule log for my family. Given I don't really know why I decided to do this, but it was a mint chocolate Yule log because Jane's Patisserie, I thought, you can't go wrong. Well, let me tell you, I clearly went very wrong. I personally didn't mind it, but I didn't get very good reviews. And I will never live it down to this day. And it actually scarred me a little bit because I thought, you know, sensitive soul over here has never really forgotten it. Just thought I'd share that story with you, and now whilst I'm smelling this peppermint extract, it's just giving me PTSD. And never again will I bake for my family at Christmas. Okay, moving on. Shake it together. Perfect. I'm gonna shake it. Honestly, it is the most amateur cocktail making you've ever seen. Time to taste. I'll make someone else make a lovely little amount there. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. I have definitely added too much peppermint. Right, cheers. Oh, what is that in my hand? Cheers everyone. Merry Christmas. Oh my god, that's awful. It's so bad. Ew. Brilliant. Chaos is back. Yes. That first cocktail is disgusting. Oh, I'm joking. But that was meant to be a candy cane one. It's gonna taste like mouthwash. I put too much peppermint.
It's too much peppermint, isn't it? It's like toothpaste. If you did it without as much, it would be nice.
And my chocolate log.
Ice. I didn't say that, you said it.
You're thinking it.
I wasn't actually.
Oh, that is really bad.
How much peppermint did you put in?
I didn't measure, I just, obviously, I don't even remember.
It's like a drop, that's all you have.
Yeah, I don't think I was paying attention at the time.
They're essences, aren't they? Just say, this is amazing.
I'm not a fraud. Also, couldn't find the other half of the shaker. Okay, thank you. Right, for those of you who know me, you will know my Aperol Spritz addiction has gotten a little bit out of hand. There's worse things to be addicted to, do you know what I mean? I'm obsessed. There's nothing more to say about that. And I saw on my TikTok a winter Aperol Spritz. It's basically just a normal Aperol Spritz with, I think meant to use like spiced cranberry juice. I can get to taste peppermint. I'm gonna be able to taste this peppermint for days. I don't even remember pouring it in. What was I doing at the time of pouring it in? Was I daydreaming? A minty cocktail. Oh, this just gives me flashbacks to like a couple Christmases ago. Here we have the perfect Aperol Spritz glass. You always want to say hello. Ouch! We're making cocktails. We're making cocktails. We're making cocktails today. Would you like to try some? You're my bar assistant. Got the job. You'd think by now I'd really know the measurements for an Aperol Spritz, but I actually don't. Okay, let's start with an ice cube. I mean, seriously. Seriously. It's a bad idea to force that. It's a bad idea, right? Okay, fine. No worries. I don't need ice anyway. Okay, Aperol. Oh, I just love it. I hate it when people are like, hey, you're just pretending to like Aperol. Like, do you really think I'd spend £15 on Aperol Spritz every day of my life if I was pretending? Look at that. Oh, I feel like this could be quite nice, you know. Apart from the fact that, oh bloody hell, why am I just not elegant with this? What am I saying? Apart from the fact that, oh yeah, Tesco, shock, really wasn't fulfilling my needs today. Didn't have any soda water. So you're all gonna shoot me. So that's really not a good thing to say. Yeah, you've seen what I'm about to do. For any Aperol Spritz lovers like me out there, this is a criminal offence. My mum loves it with tonic, but not for me. It's not a proper Aperol, but shh, it's okay. God, we're having a bloody brand new Prosecco here. Ah, stress level is really quite high. That was fun. I'm actually completely winging this as per. Okay, shall we try? Let me just smell. I feel like it needs, is it really bad idea to add cinnamon? Yes it is, Lara, what the hell are you on about? Cheers! That's so exciting. That is actually so yummy. Shock that I love it and it's an Aperol. You can't really taste cranberry in this. Milo, you're never in my videos. That's a lie, you are, but 3, 2, 1, jump! Oh, wrong dog, but hello mate. Milo ain't interested, is he? Right, anyway, I need to rate them. I'm actually all over the place. Candy cane, I'd give a solid 1 out of 5. In fact, maybe even a 0. There's no way I could drink that. Winter Aperol Spritz, I'd give a 3. I think I put too much Aperol in that, you know. Okay, we have Santa Hat cocktail. Cranberry, like fizzy cranberry basically. Cranberry juice, check. Rum. I should have got any rum. And then some grenadine. And this is why it's called a bloody Santa Hat. I really did look for this, but I couldn't find any. It's really good, isn't it? I needed cotton candy to go on the top as a Santa hat. But that's okay. You can add the decorations. I just sadly cannot. We're adding in sparkling cranberry. Cranberry juice. Definitely won't be having any UTIs around here. I actually really don't like grenadine. Ooh, smells lovely. Okay, maybe just a dab. Do you reckon that's enough? I do need rum. Okay, remember to add rum when you're doing it because I clearly have failed in all departments. Just top it up with this. And then can we just visualise Santa? That would have been perfect. Really quite annoyed. Tesco, you really have not pulled it out of the bag today. That's lovely, but I've just realised there's not any alcohol in it. There isn't, is there? Is grenadine alcohol? Is that a really stupid question? I hate my lack of common sense. Oh, it's bloody non-alcoholic syrup, which means I have no alcohol in this drink. Well, there's your mocktail. That's what I was going for. Okay, let's just pretend I've added rum. Lovely. Ready? Okay. We are adding coconut milk. I know. Rogue. So rogue. This is what you put in your curry. Oh my god, do not do this at home. 3, 2, 1. That'll do. Also, if you have time, freeze your coconut milk into ice cubes because I think then it will be like a blended frozen-y milkshake. I haven't even told you what this is. This is a Jack Frost cocktail. So I'm thinking some lovely icy blue. This is going to be pretty, okay? That's what I've got in my head right now. Blue Curaçao. Is that how you say it? Imagine me working behind a bar. Oh, I actually don't think I could do that. Pineapple juice. Ooh. Vodka. It's a lot of alcohol. Scary. Oh, that's a lot. Ugh. Not a big fan of vodka these days. Lime juice. Add your vanilla syrup if you've got it. Okay, ready to shake. Shall I use the shaker Marie gave me? God, I'm not sure about this, mother. No, I don't trust it. I'm just gonna... I think this could be alright, you know. Okay, are we ready? Fingers crossed. Wow. Sorry, that is really quite satisfying. Is that a bug? Yeah, there's a fly in my drink. What the hell? Anyway, sorry. She has outdone herself there. Jack Frost. That is Jack Frost in a cocktail. Definitely being lazy and not doing a lovely sugared rim. I hate that word. Oh, it's strong. But it has potential. No, because why can I still taste peppermint? We have one more. Bailey's Espresso Martini. I am a big lover of Bailey's. However, as we all know, I'm not a caffeine drinker. I can't drink caffeine. Gotta drink decaf. So it's gonna be interesting how this goes down because I got this espresso martini mixer from Tesco's. Wow, it really is dark in here, isn't it? Double shot espresso. Ah, Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna hate this. Oh, I should have measured that. Oopsie. Bit of vodka, which, ew, that's actually disgusting, sorry, ew. Does an espresso martini have vodka in it? We're working out the good stuff. I love it. Bailey's on ice. My camera cut out, which is actually really rude, but I've added the Bailey's double shot, but I think I added too much coffee. Let's just add some more Bailey's. To be fair, it does just taste like a really strong coffee milkshake. Thank you for coming along to my cocktail making session. I hope I've taught you a few tricks or two. Yeah, I think I better call it a day there, really. Anyway, I'm gonna go and really enjoy my